accurate and reliable diagnosis and therapy. Biomedical engineering team is a core of the healthcare system in the form of bridge between engineering and medical streams for research and development and also the regular practice. Biomedical engineering overview, this is my mathematical calculation. I presented an equation that is BME, whereas BME biomedical engineer, and then next part of the electromechanical engineering, PCE part of the communication engineering, part of the computer science, electronic engineering, and part of the medical science. So in this discipline, when a cadre, a person or an engineer, then she created as a biomedical engineer. If it is not cadre, you should be the electromedical engineer. Because first and foremost necessary is that we apply the instrument on the human body. If somebody have no idea about the human body, she should be only the instrumental engineer, electromedical engineer, not the biomedical engineer. So it is the summary and integration, this part. Applied field of biomedical engineer. আমি প্রায় শুনে থাকি always listening there no score of the biomedical engineer to get the job. So student is not encouraging to admit it and university is not encouraging to open these types of field. So I encourage to all the universities to open this field because everybody is searching here and there but no qualified biomedical engineer available in Bangladesh. And foreign countries demand also is very high. Those people who are educated in biomedical engineering, some people from Bangladesh, in Dubai, and also Middle East, a lot of countries have hired the biomedical from the Bangladesh and their performance is well and they are getting the job and they are doing the job a lot of money, a lot of scale of salary. So applied field of the biomedical, pharmaceutical industry, manufacturing of drug, BME partially involved. The pharmaceutical industry which are producing the medicine, there is a lot of instrumentation, there is in the biomedical engineers. Medical instrumentation industry, manufacturer of biomedical industry, BME more than 90%, that means it's foreign countries. Medical device industry, manufacturer of implantable and disposable medical device, 70% opportunities. And direct healthcare providers, healthcare service providers teams members. Direct healthcare service clinical interaction of the patient and physician in hospital and lab centers. Blood safety service, diagnostic, cell separation, preservation, maintaining the cold chain, armed force. And the courses of the biomedical engineering recommendation at the international standard. This course is conducted in the Canadian University, and American University and Britain University, biotechnology, biomechanics and biomaterials, biomedical anesthesia, biochemical engineering, clinical engineering, biomedical imaging,